Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of slow loading downloads folder or for that matter any folder on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Open File Explorer and go to the Home tab, which should usually be the default tab. Now there are 6 folders here: Desktop, Downloads, Documents, Pictures, Music and Videos. So the same solution applies if you face issues with any of these folders. Now I'll show you for the Downloads folder. Right click on the Downloads folder, select Show More Options, select Properties, go to the Customize tab, optimize this folder for general items. Don't select anything else like pictures, videos or anything because that will cause problems. Select general items, click on also apply this template to all subfolders. Click on apply, okay, and the problem has been fixed. Restart your computer if required. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.